Yo, what's up world? Today I'm gonna show you my neighborhood where I live in Sanur. Around this area where I'm in now, right now is actually about 5 minute driving a bicycle. By the way, this is my bicycle, what I'm doing, the vlogs nowadays. This is Winnie bicycle actually. As you see everywhere around there are houses and the beautiful rice fields. Not many people even know as the Sanur have also rice fields. So enjoy today my neighborhood from Sanur, Bali, Indonesia. So here is the one house, a local house and local people living here. I think this is the local house and there are local kids playing the kites here. So that's also cool. Yo, what's up? String. And that's how it looks like. So there are new houses around and there are villas and also local houses. This area is famous for the mix between local people, residential area, and foreigners, expats. Actually, so many expats living here, if you don't know. That's a very interesting fact. If you're gonna go there are some local houses and also foreigners living there. And there are everywhere houses actually here. I'm on the middle of the area of Batursari. As you see, residential vibe. This is like driving on the residential estate around, but there are also villas like here is the some name of the villa house. So this is actually very safe area, I could say. And heading now, I just want to show you a little bit of the neighborhood over here. Here is the guy who's selling the masks. I just bought a few days ago one here. Good. Here is some local expats with the doggo walking around. So that's how it looks like. I just want to quickly show you where I have a laundry every time if you're interested. So this is the place for laundry. So if you are expat living in Sanur, just move, or you want to move in the future and you don't have a washing machine at home, like we don't have, and we are lazy actually, also the same fact. We always doing the laundry in this laundry. Is very good. Your clothes, good quality. It's not paid endorsement anyway. I will hit into that direction, heading to the Sanur Tamblingan, but meanwhile on the Batursari area. Here are some local shop. Everywhere around on the left, on the right, there are small gangs. There are so many houses and villas, but also on the main street there are houses and villas. So that's how it looks like. There's some also companies, small companies around. Very local vibe. This house was for rent not so long ago, but also here there are many houses and also small warungs, like a local prices, let's say. Here like a nasi campur, but it's closed I think. But here also if you go this small gang inside, there are so many villas around. So that's how it looks like. It's also quite busy here in Sanur. I think it's more busier than in Tamblingan. Here is some local bengkel garage. You can fix your motorbike if you want. Somebody have a nice Land Cruiser. And here is some construction. Long time ago that was the street food place. I think now it's gonna be the same but modern, or maybe something different, not sure. And here is the Bakso guy. Everywhere on the left, on the right, there are villas. But today maybe I'm not gonna focus on the villas, but on the main street of neighborhood. There are so many warungs, new warungs, like Warung Walk-in. Pretty nice place, but not my favorite in this area actually. And here is the Panda Putri supermarket. Also very nice place, good for shopping, retail. And here there are so many also warungs, JFC, stuff like this. Here is the favorite place for the pizza and burger, really nice after work, highly recommended. Not paid endorsement, however the food is amazing. This is some fellas chilling around. And also over here is very interesting place. It's called Spita Loca, brand new place, and looks very fancy, very modern, very nice. Maybe one day we're gonna have a dinner here, but it's also only local food here. So that's how it looks like. Small shops, you can buy petrol if you need to your motorbike. Not recommended for the car, but for the bike, yes, sure, why not? Here used to be a nice cafe. They opened something new here. I don't know what. Hut. There is the also residential area. Maybe I will show you around actually this area a little bit. Here is the laundry. Long time ago used to, but it's not that good. And here on the right will be the new apartments, still under construction. We was considering to stay there, maybe in the future, but seems like it's no parking for the cars, so maybe not. Anyway, we like the place where we stay actually right now. Life is like this. Actually, I really like living in Sanur just because everything is here around, very close by, you know, guys. Like here, for example, is electronics shop and another Pandaputri market, what you can buy your groceries, but meanwhile here is the Satasar or something. Here is even the car wash where I wash my car every time, only for 35,000 per car. Here is the Pandaputri market, and here is so many fruits. Hello. Nasi champur, many things. Here is the market where we always buying fruits actually, but currently it's not closed, but it's sunny, so it looks like this. We always buying fruits. Here is another bengkel if you get a flat tire or something. So everything here is around. Even school is here. That's the primary school. Here is Warung Bellissimo. That's the Western food. Nice Jimmy number 1, nice Jimmy number 2. And here is some villas for rent. Always fully occupied. And the villa here, houses around. This is Jalan Tirtanadi 2, which is an area of villas actually. But the local people have villas, houses, and foreigners. However, I think it's no empty land to build something new here. That's how it looks like. Here, supposed to be a man shed. Very nice place for having a bintang. Unfortunately closed, and I'm gonna go into this street now. It's also very so many villas, apartments for rent. It's Sanur, it's very close to the tourist attractions, however it's very local already here. Here's some places for rent over there. So that's how it looks like. Another laundry, so many laundries around, so if you wanna walk distance, probably you're gonna find, you don't need to even looking for this one, what I recommend. However, this one what I recommend is nice, and here not many people know. This is 4-star hotel here, on the middle of residential area actually. Pretty nice hotel. It's called the Alantara, not paid endorsement. However, I used to live here for a longer while and I didn't even know, as here is the hotel and here is some nice gate. So the roads are very small here, and here is the sign as you cannot use the honk, klaxon for no reason. However, this road is small, so better use it anyway. And the house is like this. Somebody have here very nice house. And here is also very interesting fact. He is the headquarters of one travel agency company over here. Well, I think they are not so busy right now, but they're doing something anyway. Nice. All right, here is the main street. At the front, behind, quite busy. And here is Warung Kecil. Many expats and local people used to eat here. And I want to show you another part of the residential area, which is over here, but so many people driving here actually. This is it's a very small shortcut, and just behind this small gang is the residential area of Sanur also. All right, here is some local Warung, and this is the already residential area. So on this side, where is this house? Behind this house is the main street in Sanur, the bypass, the Jalan bypass, something. And here is the residential area. Everywhere around there are local houses and also foreigners, expats living here. Because like I said, many expats living in this area of Sanur. And well, the biggest area where is so many expats nowadays in Bali is exactly in this area of Bali, in Sanur, in this residential area, not in Canggu, not in Seminyak, which is maybe surprise for some of you, but here in Sanur. The only thing is this is the little bit different expats who maybe have different style. This is actually expats who living here. They are expats who have staying in Bali for very long time. This is the very long-term expats, like me, for example, who living here already many years. Not the kind of expats who coming for few months and they are going to different place. So maybe that's why. More time from the different perspective area of the market and the local warungs. This is actually very close where I live. I'm not gonna tell you exact location, but very close by here. So this is the one of reason what I really love to live here, because whatever I want to eat something today from the street food or go to the market or having pizza and burger, everything is just literally in the 2 minutes drive from the place where I live, up to 2 minutes. So one more time I'm gonna show you the restaurants. Yo, what's up?
Good, bro.
Yo, Pita Loca. Looks really nice. Many of my friends used to be here already eat and they think it's nice. I never tried with Winnie yet, but for sure I will try it. And here is the place for my pizza and burger. And here is also the Hanover Pandreputri market. Many people used to be familiar with this area. That's why I'm showing double from different perspective, and that's how it looked like. Okay, I actually decided to show you this small gang where is so many villas and houses around. Okay, maybe at the front doesn't look much optimistic because here is some construction and stuff like this. This is Balina's house here. Also here, if you're interested, is a lot of empty land actually. Okay, doesn't look maybe nice from the perspective from the street, but if you decide to buy it and build something, that's actually really not that bad. And yeah, here already the houses and villas. Yo, what's up? Here also is the residential area, many villas over there. And in general, in this area, so many local houses mixed with the new style residential villas where so many expats living here. Also many land here. So these people, I have actually friends who moved to Bali and living somewhere in the residential area of Sanur, maybe not exactly here, but somewhere around. And they just come 2 months ago, they are retired, and they come on the middle of the lockdown in 2021. So it's possible if you really want and you are eligible to obtain the proper visa, it's possible to come to Indonesia retired even right now. All right, guys, I just stopped. I'm already tired, need to take a rest. It's not that easy to cycling in Bali nowadays. It's actually very hot all the time. Also wearing masks, stuff like this. It's not that easy. However, this is the residential area of Sanur. So many villas and local houses around. So if you're interested to move to Bali or something in Sanur, I think it's quite a good option for you to stay here. For me, it's fully recommended. Meanwhile, comment below what do you think about this area of Sanur, residential area, how it looks local life to compare to the other areas of Bali. Meanwhile, that's it from me today. Like always, see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.